You've probably heard of Exness, and it may even be popular in your country. And we know that every trader wants to find that one broker that finally makes trading feel safe and maybe even profitable. But there's also the fear of choosing the wrong broker. The fear of choosing a broker that may look perfect on the outside, but may hide issues you won't discover until it's too late. And many beginners fall for a belief that sounds comforting, but is completely false, which is if a broker is big, is popular, and is everywhere online, it must automatically be trustworthy. But popularity does not always mean that the broker is suitable. In this Exness broker review video, we'll be examining how Exness actually operates, from regulation to fees to trading conditions and all that pertains to Exness. The first question you would ask is, how long has Exness been in the business and in what regions are they regulated? Founded in 2008, Exness has its headquarters in Cyprus and it has expanded its global reach and brokerage infrastructure, offering various CFD tradable instruments through its widely known trading platforms across its different entities that are regulated by strong local regulators. Talking about regulation, Exness maintains a multi-jurisdictional structure. They are regulated by the Seychelles FSCA, CBCS, the FSCA in BVI, FSCA in Mauritius, FSCA in South Africa, CySEC in Cyprus, FCA in the UK, CMA in Kenya, and JSC in Jordan. Crucially, although Exness is regulated by the FCA and CySEC, in 2019, it stopped onboarding its retail clients from the EU and UK. That means that for traders based in the EU and UK, Exness does not offer retail trading anymore. They only offer institutional B2B services. Apart from the EU and UK, they also do not offer their services to residents of USA, Canada, Iran, North Korea, Russia, Belarus, and others. Now, what about fund protection? Exness ensures clients' fund protection by segregating clients' funds into a separate account from the company's own operational funds. And this is a standard protective measure to reduce risk if the broker itself runs into financial trouble. They also offer negative balance protection, meaning that clients cannot owe more than their deposit, even in extreme market volatility or cases of extreme loss. There is also stop-out protection, which helps your trades to run longer before you are being stopped out, especially in volatile markets. In some jurisdictions, stop-out is 0%. Because Exness structure involves multiple entities, the exact protection like client fund protection, compensation in case of bankruptcy, leverage limits, and the entire trading condition depends heavily on the jurisdiction your account is registered under. And this does not only apply to Exness, but also to other brokers with multi-jurisdictional structure. Regulation and licensing are the foundation. But assuming you're in a region where Exness is allowed, what does their offering look like in terms of trading instruments, cost, and other features? Let's take a deep look. Exness provides access to a broad set of CFD markets that comprises of major, minor, and exotic forex pairs, precious metals and energies, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. This makes Exness a multi-asset broker, giving traders flexibility. Exness supports widely used trading platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which is common amongst Forex and CFD traders, especially those who are involved in automated trading with the use of expert advisors, as well as algorithmic trading. Then with Exness, you can run your expert advisors on a free VPS server. Apart from the use of expert advisors, trading with Exness on MT4 offers you 30 built-in indicators, 23 analytical objects, and 6 pending orders, while the MT5 offers 38 built-in indicators, 22 analytical tools, 46 graphical objects, 21 timeframes, economic calendar, and it allows hedging, and you can also engage in copy trading too. And both platforms are available on desktop, mobile devices, and web. Apart from MetaTrader platforms, Exness has its web terminal and mobile app, and the charting of both platforms are provided by TradingView. The web terminal supports account types by MetaTrader 5, and it offers 10 time frames, over 100 built-in indicators, 50 drawing tools. The same feature applies to the mobile app, except that it has 9 time frames and you can engage in copy trading also. Exness offers different account types, commonly including the standard accounts and professional accounts. For the standard account, they comprise the standard and the standard cent accounts, while the professional accounts comprises of the pro, zero, and the raw spread account. The standard account offers spreads from 0.2 pips, while the standard cent account offers spreads from 0.3 pips, but you can only trade Forex, metals, and cryptocurrencies with the cent account. On both accounts, you can trade with a minimum deposit of $50, zero commission, 1:1 unlimited leverage, stop out of 0%, and margin call of 60%. Then the swap-free trading is available, but it is not for all instruments. Then on the Pro accounts, they offer spreads from 0.1 pips and no commission. The zero account offers spread from 0 pips and commission of $0.10 round turn, while the raw spread account offers spread from 0 pips and commission of $7 round turn. On all three professional accounts, margin call is 30%, but stop out, swap-free trading, and leverage remains the same with the standard accounts. They do not charge withdrawal fees, plus their accounts can be opened in multiple currencies, which could save you from currency conversion fees. But have it in mind that once you create an account, your account currency cannot be changed. Then Exness does not charge inactivity fees. But if your real or active account remains inactive for 3 days, your account will be archived. That is if you are trading with the MetaTrader platforms. But it can be reactivated in your personal area. We can see that their fees are considerably low, which reduces your trading cost and increases your chances of profit making. If you want to improve your trading skills, Exness Insights is a helpful place to start. It gives you easy to understand lessons, trading tips, market analysis, and guidance from experienced traders. You can also learn more by checking the Exness Media section, their blog, and their help center for simple answers to common questions. And if you wish to make inquiries, you can do that by reaching out to their customer support agents that are available 24/7 to respond to you in different languages. You can either reach them via their live chat, where you can get responses with little or no waiting time, or you can open a ticket. Of course, the first thing you want to do after you have gone through Exness offerings and you're sure that their trading condition aligns with your trading style is to open an account. So let me walk you through the Exness account opening process. On Exness homepage, at the top right, click on Register. It will take you to the registration page. Now, the link to this page will be in the description. On the registration page, select your country, add your email, and create a password. You can either click on Register or you can create an account with your Google account. If you click on Register, you have created your profile with Exness and you will be directed to their web terminal, where you will be asked if you want a demo account or a real account. Now, pick your choice. But for this video, we will create a demo account. After you have selected which account you want, you have successfully logged into the Exness web terminal, where demo trading, as in the case of this video, can commence. But to start trading with a real account, you will need to do some verification. Now, to see your profile, click on this and click on personal area. Here you can see your account details. You can make deposits and withdrawals. You can chat with customer support, and you can do other things. To open another account on your account dashboard, click on Open Account. You can see each account features. Now, select your account of choice. Then click on Continue. Select if you want to open a demo account or a real account. Then select a currency of your choice. You can see the currencies available to you. Choose your leverage, your platform type, and then create your password. Click Create Account and your new account has been created. Now, if you created the account with MT5, you can use the server details, the login details, and the password you created to log into the MT5 platform. To complete your account registration, click on Complete Profile. You can see that you need to confirm your email, confirm your phone number, and add other information, which will include document verification like your ID. It may take some time to verify your documents, but after the verification, you can start trading. You definitely need to fund your account to start trading, and Exness offers multiple payment methods. Now, once again, this payment method depends wholly on your region. Now, you could use card payments, you could use bank transfer, you could use e-wallets, or you could even use cryptocurrencies. Having seen all that Exness has to offer, let's look at their pros and cons, beginning with Exness Pros. Exness has 6 account options for all traders, which gives them an advantage because traders, whether beginners or advanced traders, can choose any account of choice they can trade with. They also have competitive pricing, from tight spreads and zero commission on some of their account types to low trading fees. Then they are regulated in 9 regions, which gives traders in different regions access to their services. That brings us to the number of currencies you can open an account in, which are over 30, and this eliminates currency conversion fees. They have trading tools like VPS for free, and then algorithmic trading are allowed on their platforms. Their customer support are responsive to any of your queries, and they are available round the clock. Now to Exness Cons. Their minimum deposit for the standard account used to be $10 and $200 for pro account, but now it has become $50 for the standard account and $500 for the pro account. Secondly, while high leverage may sound like good news to professional traders, it may not be so healthy for beginners, as they may expose themselves to a very high degree of loss. Also, their assets are quite limited. As we have seen so far, Exness is not a scam, but a safe broker that is regulated in multiple regions with low fees, MetaTrader platform availability, and other features, alongside a few risks here and there. For the trader that is in a place where Exness is regulated, Exness could be a good choice, but it demands responsibility. That is, you need to take out your time to know under what Exness entity you will be onboarded, what the regulatory oversight means for you, and then you need to trade with caution when trading with leverage, so you do not over leverage. Another important thing to note is that you need to be realistic with your expectations about Forex trading, because it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, consistent growth, and discipline with the right broker to build a good trading skill. Did this video help with your search? Then don't leave without a like. Also, would love to receive feedback and questions for you, so let us know in the comment section if Exness is worth trading with or not. Would like to know your perspective. And just before you leave, subscribe to this channel and also visit our website at safeforexbrokers.com for more unbiased Forex brokers review. Plus, you will find this video on the screen right now very interesting to you. Until I come your way again, happy trading.